Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video covers how to use AI aided formula editor to get formulas and detailed information how to use the formula and how to get results. For that we should have internet connection and AI aided formula editor as an extension. You have to install it. Go and add-ins, search for AI aided formula editor. Then login. Without knowing any formula, we can able to get information. How the formula works, how it is result has come. For example, here we want to know herbal tea for 3 months total sales. For that, click on here. You will get AI. Just click here. It is already in Excel sheet, so automatically it will refer the whatever information in Excel sheet. We need not to give any row number, nothing is necessary. So simply you just give create formula for total sales of herbal tea for October, November and December 2025. It gives not only formula, it gives how it is derived. So we can able to see step by step. Automatically it gives suggestion. Some should be used. And total sales. Just copy this formula. You can able to paste here. It is total of 24,200 rupees. So how it is derived? It is each step is given here. The same way we can get information based on dates. We want to know only 3 days, first 3 days average sales. Please give first 3 days average sales amount. So exactly it has given. If we want to know for each a month, we can able to change the formula. For each month. So exactly it has given. Simply copy here and paste it here. Like that, each and every query can be created based on your requirement. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.